Hello everyone. Today we are here to understand the next topic, and that is linking words. As you can see, linking words are also called conjunctions. So let us understand about them. Linking word, as the name suggests, link the words. Linking words are used to connect ideas together in a piece of writing. In a piece of writing means it can be a sentence or a paragraph. It shows that two things are related in some way or there is some more supporting information. When we have to connect two ideas, now those two ideas can be similar ideas or different ideas, or we have to provide some additional information in a sentence or in a paragraph, then we use linking words, also called as conjunctions. Like for example, so, however, and etc. Now these are just a few examples. Let us understand further. Linking words can be found at the start of a sentence, also at the middle of the sentence, also to connect different ideas. Like, see these examples. He will fail because he did not study hard. Now, here, because is a linking word which has come in the middle of a sentence. Now, see the next sentence. As he was not at home, I spoke to his father. Now here as is a linking word which has come in the beginning of a sentence. So it can come in the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. These words simply add additional information to a sentence or a paragraph to show that these two ideas are similar or related. When we have to connect ideas which may be similar or related or maybe different ideas, we use these linking words. Like, see these examples. It started to rain and I got soaked. Now here it is showing additional information that it was raining and I got soaked. So we can provide additional information by using linking words. Now see the next one. We can go shopping first, then get a bite to eat. Now here this linking word then is showing this order of the things, that first we will do this and then the next thing. So it can also show the order of the things, or we can say the timing of the events also. Now let us understand the types of linking words. Depending upon the purpose, we have different types of linking words. As I said, it can also be used to provide some information or to connect different ideas or to connect similar ideas, etc. So we have different purpose for using these linking words. So according to that, we have different types. The first one is addition. Like as the name says, to add one fact to another, when we simply have to add additional information. Now the conjunctions used for those are and. Both and is acting like a pair. Not only but also, now here this also applies a pair, as well as, along with, also, etc. Now these are certain linking words used to provide additional information or used to add different sentences. Now see these examples. This is both instructive and entertaining. When something is instructive and entertaining both, we use both and. Next one, he is not only a statesman but also a poet. Here also we are adding some information that he is a statesman plus a poet. So we use not only a statesman but also a poet. Now see the next one. Tendulkar is a batsman as well as a bowler. So here also we are given some additional information that Tendulkar is a batsman and a bowler also. So we can use as well as. So these were the linking words for addition. Now let us understand the next one. The next one is contrast, to show how things are different when we have to connect different ideas. Like the linking words used for those are but, still, yet, nevertheless, though, whereas, however, instead of, while, etc. Now see how are they used. He is slow but steady. So slow and steady are two opposite ideas. So when we have to connect opposite ideas, we use but. He is rich, still not happy. So rich is positive feature and happiness not happy. Here it is saying not happy, so which is a negative thing. So again we have contrast or opposite ideas. Next one, he is active, whereas his brother is lazy. Now here also we have two different ideas. One is active and one is lazy. So we connect through whereas. So these are certain examples to show contrast. Now let us move further. The next one is choice. Here, these linking words are used to express options. When we have to choose, we have a choice. Like for example, or, either or, neither nor, otherwise, else. Now these are certain linking words used to show the choice. See the examples. What would you like to have, tea or coffee? So we have to choose between tea or coffee. So the linking word is or. And again, next one is either Rina or her sister has taken your book. So we have a choice here, either Rina or her sister. So or can come as a single linking word also, plus it can come with, as a pair with either also, either and or. Next one, leave my house else I will call the police. So here also we have a option, an option. We have a choice, either you leave my house or I will call the police. So we use the linking word else. So these are the linking words used for choice when we have some options. The next one is to show the time, when we have to express the time of action. Now, linking words used for those are after, until, when, as soon as, etc. See the examples. She returned home after the sunset. So here it is showing the time of action. When did she return? After the sunset. Wait here until I return. Wait till when? Again, it is showing a time until I return. Alice left the room as soon as his father came. So when did she leave? As soon as his father came. So these linking words like after, until, as soon as, they show the time. Now the next one is when we have to specify some cause or reason used to provide a reason of an event. When we have to provide the reason why did something happen. The linking words used for that are because, as, since, for, so that, in order to, etc. See the examples. As he was not home, I came back. So here it is providing a reason. Why did I come back? Because he was not at home. I was absent because I was not ill. Well, sorry. I was absent. So why was I absent? So it is giving a reason, because I was not well. Now here you have to understand, students, as can be used in the beginning of a sentence, but because cannot come in the beginning. Because will always come in the middle of the sentence only. So they are providing the same effect only. He should go since you want that. So why should he go? Because you want that. So since is also giving the same reason. He should work hard so that he can achieve success. So why should we work hard? So that we can achieve success. So that also he's providing here a reason. So these are the linking words for providing reason. Now let's see next one. The next one is condition. When we have a certain condition that this thing will be done if we fulfill a certain condition. Linking words used for that are if, whether, unless, provided, whenever, etc. Like see the examples. You will succeed if you work hard. So there is a condition for the success. If you work hard, then only you will succeed. So the conjunction is if. You must do it whether you like it or not. So you do not have a condition here. You have to do it whether you like it or not. Unless you sleep on time, you can't get up on time. So here also we have a condition that if you have to get up on time, you have to sleep on time. So the linking word used here is unless. I shall go provided you come with me. So here also we have a condition. I will go if you come with me. So these are the linking words for condition. Now see the next one. Result or effect, to provide the result of what has been stated or occurred. Something happened and as a result of that something else happened. So to show the result we have certain linking words like as a result, due to, hence, therefore, that, etc. Now see these examples. I could not come due to the rain. As it was raining, so the result was I could not come. It was raining. As a result, I could not go. The same sentence can be reframed in this way also. It was raining. As a result, I could not go. Now, here you can see the difference. I could not come is the effect, and rain is the reason. The result is given first and then the reason. In the second sentence, when we use as a result, the reason is given first and then the result. It was raining is the reason and the effect was I could not come. The next one is it started raining, therefore the match could not start. So it was raining is the reason and the result was the match could not start. So the linking word used here is therefore. He is so weak that he cannot walk. He is so weak is the reason and the effect is he cannot walk. So the linking word used here is that. So these were the words for showing a result or effect. Now the next one is to compare the things. Comparison. When we have to compare different things or it can be different persons also. Now the linking words used are than, as dash as, no less than, etc. See these examples. He is taller than his brother. He is taller than his brother. So here the linking word is than and we are comparing the height of him and his brother. Next one, he likes me no less than you. Means we are comparing the liking of and you. So we say no less than. She is as clever as her sister. So we are comparing the cleverness of her with her sister. So we use the conjunction as dash as. Like she is as beautiful as her sister. Means the both of the persons are equally beautiful. So when we have a comparison, we use these linking words. So these were the linking words that we did today. Let us revise. Linking words or conjunctions are used to join different ideas in a sentence. When we have to join two sentences in a paragraph, then we use linking words. They are of different types depending upon the purpose for which they are used. They are used for different purposes. According to that, they are of different types. And the different purposes can be addition, contrast, choice, time, cause or reason, condition, result or effect, comparison, etc. So this was for today. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.